video we will learn how to enable Instagram notifications on iPhone. So let's begin.
So to enable the Instagram notifications on iPhone, first we need to go and do a little setting in the Instagram app. Then we would go and do a setting in iPhone settings. So first go and open your Instagram app and make sure that you are connected with the internet. So here we go. Now tap on this person or profile icon at the right bottom corner. Once you are here, just go and tap on these three lines at the right top corner. And here you can see the settings. This is the updated version of Instagram. In the older version, you might see the settings at the end. So tap on settings and open settings. In settings, you can see notifications. Tap on this. Now you can see under the push notification, it says pause all. Just go and make sure that this is turned off. Furthermore, there are multiple things like post stories and comments and following and followers and direct messages. You can simply go and configure the individual settings for these of things on Instagram. So once you have made sure that this pause all is turned off, now close your Instagram app and now just go and open your iPhone settings. Here we are. And in the iPhone settings, just scroll down below and here you would see all the installed apps on your phone. And here search in for Instagram. So this is alphabetically ordered. Tap on Instagram, and in the Instagram you might not see the notifications here. So what you need to do is go back, scroll down up, and here you can see the notifications. Tap on this. Now search for Instagram here. In many of the cases you might not see the Instagram here under the notifications. So the simple solution for this is just go and uninstall your app and reinstall your Instagram app, so it would appear here. So I would be back after the reinstalling my app. So now I have reinstalled the Instagram app on iPhone. Simply go to your settings on iPhone and here go to notifications, and in the notifications you would see the Instagram. Here we have, and now just go and turn on the allow notifications and do your alerts as you want. So if you want for the lock screen, for the notification center, and for the banner, just go and do it as you want. So hope it has helped you in enabling the notifications on Instagram on iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe and